you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabby, and for today's video I have this beautiful makeup look using for the first time the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina Palette. I really like the shades in here, and if you want to know how I achieved this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so I already have my moisturizer on. Now for primer, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. You can use this as a primer and as a setting spray. So before and after your makeup. Okay you guys, so we are ready for the primer. Okay, so I just have to wait for this to get absorbed, and then we are going in with our foundation. Okay you guys, so we are ready for our foundation. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is the first one that she came out with, and I have it in the shade 290. So that was about 2 pumps. Maybe this shade is a little bit yellow for me. Okay, so now we just have to blend. Don't forget the neck. Okay, you guys, so here is the foundation. I think I'm gonna add 2 more pumps just to get more coverage. But it's looking really nice. So here we have the foundation. It's looking so much better. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm gonna be using this one from ColourPop. This is the No Filter Concealer in the shade Medium 26. Okay, so here we have the concealer. Now we need to do the contour. I'm gonna use the Matchstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Truffle. I don't know how much this is, I don't remember, maybe $25 or $35, but it's such a good product and it's gonna last you so long. Look at all the product that I have left. Like, that's so much, and I have had it for I don't know how long, so yeah, really recommend it. Okay, so here we have the contour, and now we just have to blend. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques brush. Okay you guys, so now we need to do our bronzer, and something that I have found out is that if you want your bronzer to not be patchy, which always happens to me, you have to add the translucent powder, but we have to focus it more on this area, like put a lot of it, and I have tried it several times. I'm guessing that sometimes I just don't put enough, but sometimes it looks really nice, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm gonna be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Okay you guys, so now for bronzer, I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay bronzer in the shade Bronzed. Okay, so usually I don't add any blush, but today we're going to. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Natural Face palette, and I'll be taking just a little bit of this shade called Pink Scent. Okay, so now going in with highlighter, I'm gonna use this one from Becca. This one is in the shade Moonstone. Okay, so another thing that you can do is take your same sponge and some more translucent powder, and we're just gonna clean the bronzer line so it looks more sharp. So you can always just take the same brush for the bronzer, because this is a powder brush as well, and just take the excess off, and we are ready. Now we need to move into eyebrows. So I usually don't do this whole routine every single day, so it's kind of long, but it's pretty. We're gonna look really good, okay? That's the goal anyways. Okay, so for eyebrows, I'm gonna be taking the Ka-Brow from Benefit in the shade 3.5, and I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. Okay you guys, so here is our palette for today. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Jackie Aina, and it's my first time using this. I'm just super ready and excited. If you haven't seen my last Sephora haul video, I show you this new product and a lot of other new products in there as well, so go check it out. But yeah, finally we're taking this out of the box, and first of all, the packaging is super beautiful. Okay you guys, This packaging is way too hard, so let me get it out another way, because look at this. I had all of my nails and now look at that. This is so sad and it was so painful. This is powder and it's my natural nail, so look at the difference now. Ouch, that was so painful. Anyways, here we have the palette now out of the package. It's super beautiful and hopefully it's gonna make me feel better because this is painful right now. Okay, now let's see. Oh my goodness, here we have it. Look at that, we have some purple shades, some orangey shades, lots of shimmer. This is just super beautiful. And this is super duper painful. My god. Can you see that though? I even have a design. It looks like a crown or something. Oh my god, it's so painful. So the first shade that I'm gonna be taking is Ginger. And I'm just gonna apply it. Whoa, that's pigmented. Okay. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Now I'm gonna be taking the shade Edges and I'm gonna apply it in the corner of the eye, and then we're just gonna start blending. So I think I'm gonna use the red shade as my lid color. So yeah, I'm gonna take the brown shade right now and I'm gonna apply it to the corner just to make the look a little bit deeper. Okay, so taking the shade Credit, I'm just gonna apply it on the corner. Okay, so now we're gonna do a half cut crease. I'm gonna be using this Morphe brush and my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Okay, so here we have the concealer. We have to try not to look up because it can stick. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking the Daisy Marquez and BH Cosmetics palette and I'm gonna take the shade Naked and I'm gonna apply it over the concealer. Okay, so now we're ready for the red shade. It's called Wigglies, I guess. So I'm gonna apply it first with my finger. Okay, so here we have the eyeshadow. I'm thinking maybe I should wet it a little bit just to see how it looks. Now we need to make the corner deeper, so I'm gonna take the same shade Credit, the brown shade, and I'm gonna apply it on the other corner. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Trust Issues, which is the white shimmery shade, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, so now for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna apply the same colors that we put on the crease, which are the orangey shades and the shade Credit. Okay you guys, so here is the eyeshadow. Now I need to add some liner to my waterline, do a wing with some black liner, and also apply some falsies. And now for the wing, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeliner. And for lashes, I'm gonna use these ones. These are the Wispies from Ardell. Okay you guys, so now we just need mascara. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay you guys, so now for lipstick, I'm gonna be taking these two lipsticks from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The lighter one is in the shade Hudson and this one is in the shade Bittersweet. So I'm gonna take the darker shade and then I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this lighter shade just on the center of the lips. Okay you guys, so now we're ready for some setting spray. And today I'm gonna be using the same Smashbox primer water that we used before. Okay you guys, so here we have our makeup all done. I have to say that I really like how everything turned out. We have so many different shades in there. This was just one look. I'm sure we can come up with several of them. And okay you guys, that's everything that I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!